Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pay Fido bills through RBC mobile application. For that you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to open the mobile application of RBC Bank. From there you have to go to bills and transfer funds option from the home screen. After that you have to select pay. If you have already added Fido as a pay, select the Fido solutions from list of pays. If you haven't added Fido yet, then you have to tap add a pay and search for Fido solution. Enter the Fido account number found on your bill. Now you have to save that pay. From the next step, you have to enter the payment amount, how much you have to give. Choose the amount you want to pay from saving account. Enter the amount you want to pay. After that, you have to review, uh, double check the details, and tap on submit and confirm to process the payment. Now take a screenshot or note that confirmation number for your records. So this is how you can pay Fido bills through RBC mobile application. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.